music is addressed to my people, especially to make them more curious about where they came from and their own identity and pride in that identity.
Hey cousins, it's your girl Rollback. I am doing like a little mini tour of my garden so I can show y'all how it's going so far. This today is the 27th of January, so I haven't done a garden update this new year. We've had a lot of things die and come back to life, and it's been a roller coaster. As you can see, my big Tabasco has been moved because she was like hanging way too low on the table. So she is going strong. She has survived pretty much the whole winter. I did take her in one time when we had a really bad frost for a few days. This was my ghost pepper. I'm going to try, like, I literally have no leaves, but when I pull, it is still strong in there. I'm going to cut probably the tips right here. Sorry, the tips right here off. Matter of fact, I can do that now. I tell you all the time about my grandmother who passed, who used to love to garden. These are actually her gardening shears that I still have, and yes, they're a little rusty, so don't say anything about me cutting this with a rusty pair of shears. So I'm just gonna let that heal itself. Hopefully I might have to cut a little bit lower, but the white stuff that you're seeing on there, that is actually 7 powder, because I was trying to save it because it was attacked by aphids. All right, so I did add some lavender into the garden. These are the babies, the aloe vera babies that I have been taking care of for the last year. So sometime this year, like this one has 5 in it. That one actually started growing its own pups, so I'm probably going to keep that one. That one has 3. This one has 4, I believe. So this one I actually just replanted right here, so this one is going to stay with me because I just put it in that. But the ones that have multiples in them, I'm probably going to be replanting them this year and giving them away to people. These are some babies that if you look above, you'll see the video that I just taught everyone how to repot your aloe vera pups. So those are some of the babies from it. That's another baby, as is this one. So all of those, this one is going to my neighbor, so I'm getting her ready to go next door. This was my sangria pepper. This one was attacked also by aphids, so I had to cut all the leaves off. But if you look right here, what is that? What is that? New life. So we are going to pray, hope, pray, wish, call all the ancestors, like everybody needs to come down to come help this poor little plant here. This is my Tabasco seeds. Remember those seeds that I told y'all, like, it just started sprouting up and I was surprised that it did anything? Those are those. So they're still going strong and they're still getting big, and the pot is big enough to where I'm going to let them actually grow, just continue growing, and then I'll separate them once they get a little bit bigger. Oh, I passed up something. This is my peppermint plant. It has like the growth. I kind of forgot to replant it for a few weeks. If you have watched the other videos, that one I forgot to replant. So the growth is a little stunted, so we're going to see how that one goes. But the other one that I forgot to plant, the sweet mint, it has been going strong and going well. So see, she is on it. Oh, sorry. You can see all these beautiful leaves and it smells glorious. That is my hibiscus that all the leaves fell off because of my overwatering. So slowly, she's coming back to life. I have been letting her dry all the way out. As you can see in her soil, you can see some of her roots, so I'm probably going to add some more soil on there soon. This is my money tree that pretty much died in my house. Like, it was not making it. The Fenugreek, I literally only have 2 of them left. The rest have died. It's been a little chilly and a little windy, so I didn't do what I was supposed to do with those. I have been slipping. And over here, you can see my 3 new lemon trees that I am so excited that I received. And that's it. I may be doing a video. I'm gonna flip it over. I may do a video later on the few houseplants that I have now. They're not really repotted, so we're gonna see about that. But that's it, guys. Thank you for coming. Come and see my garden, or my new garden update. So far, I actually have a few more videos that are coming out this week, because I did a couple of seed hauls, and I'm going to be putting some seeds into some soil and into the greenhouse. Here's the link to the greenhouse that I made. So yeah, that's that. Thanks, guys, for coming. Find a reason to smile. You guys have a great day. Bye, cousins. Love ya.